Good morning everybody, and welcome to this quick tutorial about how to use the commenting features. In this tutorial I will explain how to access the commenting features and how to share your 3D model with your team members and clients. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to access the commenting features. From your account page you will see a blue commenting icon among the other icons below your 3D model. Simply click on that icon and the 3D model will be loading with the commenting features on a new page. So this is a typical 3D viewer page. However, you can see that on the right side of the page there is a new section. If you are the owner of the 3D model, then you will see an admin section and a comments section. In the admin section, the first thing that you can see is the URL of the current 3D model page. Please share this with your team members and clients so that they can collaborate with you by seeing and posting your comments. You can either copy and paste this URL to another app, or you can email the link by using the email the link button, and for the time being you can only send it to one email at a time. The last option in the admin section is the sharing option. By default, everybody with this URL will be able to see and post comment as long as they have a free account with 3DVieweronline. You can restrict the access to only a list of specified emails by using restrict access to email list and listing on this text box the emails that you want to include. So this concludes our tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact us by using the contact form on our website. Thank you very much for watching.